Right, today's an exciting day. Super excited. If you haven't watched the video of the Red Leon, this video, stop this right now. Go and watch that video first, because this video will make no sense whatsoever. If you have watched the Leon video, you know what we're talking about, that I wanted a donor car to put an engine in out of the Leon. Well, a lot of you have been asking me. I've finally got a car. I initially said VW Fox, VW Polo. I had a slight change of plan. Just a slight change of plan. Nobody is ever going to see this coming, what car I've got to put this 2-litre TFSI engine in. 280 horsepower engine. It goes like the clappers. It's going to be dangerous in this car. One person guessed it. My friend Connor Lay. How on earth he guessed this car, I have no idea. It's a 1.4 CVH engine. We don't even know what it goes like. Well, we do. We took it for dinner earlier, but I'm going to take it for a proper spin. Me and Connor are going to take it out for a proper spin up bypass in a minute. God only help us. Please help. Let us make it back. We're going to take it for a little spin. But yeah, we are going to MacGyver a 2-litre TFSI engine in this. So it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy at all. But I'm dedicating 1 day a week, and we're going to get this done. So it's not going to take months. This is going to be done fairly quick. I think we've got 2 days, start of February, where we're just going to hit it. We're going to hit it hard, and we're going to have, and I'm hoping engine's going to be in, mounted up. Obviously we've got boost pipes to make, we've got intercooler to mount, we need custom radiator, then we're going to have to get a 3-inch exhaust on it somehow, intake pipe around here. It's going to be some work. It's going to be a hell of a work, but tell me that is not cooler than just dropping it in a VW Fox, which has already been done, by the way, which is what put me off. It'd already been done. It's not cool, is it, when it's already been done? I've looked, and I can't find anyone who's put a 2-litre petrol turbo in a Mark IV Escort. I know everyone does Z-Techs. Everyone does Z-Techs. People have done Hondas, but no one's done a VAG engine. Probably for a good reason, because they're crap, but that's the reason why I'm doing it, because I know it's going to really upset a lot of Ford guys, so please don't absolutely batter me too much. It is only a knacker. It's not exactly a minter. But it's not terrible, but it's not mint. It'll be perfect. Absolutely perfect. So plan is we're going to keep a complete sleeper. We don't want any intercooler hanging out up front. We want the whole thing absolute sleeper. And my little driving it earlier when I went for dinner in it, I'm not going to lie, I am super scared. It's probably got about 50 horsepower a minute, and it's scary to drive as it is. Yeah, so next video will be, we're going to be pulling engine out of this. We're going to be pulling engine out at Leon. And God help us. Right, so we're out. We're out in Escort. What a bag of scrap is my initial feeling. Oh my God, what a scrapper.
It is a nail.
Well, that's all part of fun, isn't it? That's all part of fun. Yeah. This is a right old scrapper. This, with a modern engine in it, is going to feel absolutely dangerous. Exhaust about to fall off by the sound of it. We're out on open road. We might need a recovery back. Don't know yet. So, why on earth did I choose a Mark IV Escort? It's cool, isn't it? It's cool. It's a Mark IV estate. It's cool. It just looks cool. No one is going to expect this to be fast. And if they did, they'd be like, oh, it's got a Z-Tech turbo in it. But it's not going to have a Z-Tech turbo in it. It's not going to have a K-twin in it. It's going to have something completely different in it. Something weird, something different. Which is the whole reason why I wanted to do it. Just to prove that it's possible. Now, it isn't going to be any easy job, I can assure you of that. This is obviously a lot of changes. I've already hit up a guy. We got somebody who's going to help us with wiring. We're going to try and get it running on original Ford clocks. Don't know how that's going to go. This is obviously cable throttle. The Leon, the donor one, is electric throttle. This is cable clutch. That's hydraulic clutch. So they're just some of the problems we're going to have. This is manual steering, not powered steering. So that saves us a bit of a mess about. We haven't got to try and get that working. Just get up to speed. It's a bit noisy in low gears. God, what have I done? We're on bypass now. We are committed on bypass now. We might need a recovery.
Oh God. Oh, that's flat out. You know his little 70 mile an hour joke?
We can't even.
I don't even think this will get to 70. We're flat out. Listen to it. Oh, we're doing Audi. We're doing them. Oh, we're into fourth. We're into fourth. They're thinking, what the?
I know, send it through bonnet.
That is literally 70 mile an hour. I swear to God, I am not shitting you. That is 70 mile an hour. It's even got a fifth gear. Oh, hang on.
Yeah,
oh, fifth does work. It works. I thought we got a grinded fifth. It works. It works. Driver error. What a motor. Even at 70, it feels like I'm doing 170.
Yeah, it was fucking weird.
This is a taste of the 90s. So yeah, this car's actually 2 years older than me. Frightening, scary. It's got aftermarket edge unit in it. It's got some fly speakers in it. Not that I'm interested in any sort of sound. Yeah. So we made it to 70.
Just about.
This is just a pre-build road test, really. Engine will be coming out. We'll probably be selling engine. If anyone wants to buy a 1.4 CVH engine, you can have it for like 100 quid, something like that. I need to check with someone first how much it's worth. About 100 quid, I think. Yeah. So, I hope none of you seen this coming. I hope you're all absolutely as buzzing as me to see this be built. I'm absolutely buzzing. I can't wait to drive it when it's done. I'm scared. I am scared.
Oh my.
Look at it. This is like probably one of the first cars that ever had seatbelts in it. We've got no airbags, no nothing. This is just a
no to it whatsoever.
No,
it's all plastic.
If me and Connor, if we do this and we crash this, it'll just crumple around as like a crisp bag. You have to just bury us in it. So, yeah. Do you think it'll wheel spin?
You'd have said.
Watch clutch fall out or snap a shaft. It wheel spins. Oh God, it's dry.
Did it wheel spin?
It dry and did the littlest wheel spin you've ever heard in your life. It just went. That's amazing. Right, back up slip road. Back up slip road. Oh, it's splitting. Oh no, it's splitting. It's splitting, Connor. Oh, it's splitting. Oh no, I think it's running out of petrol. Oh, I'm not going back up bypass. Well, we were going to go up bypass, and we had a change of plan. She was spluttering. She was spluttering. I think it's running out of fuel. Let's try and make it back. Oh no, she's spluttering. She's spluttering. Come on, Babby. No, I think she's just running out of fuel. I think that fuel gauge talks bollocks. We are definitely going to break down. Definitely. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Quick as fuck, yeah. Oh, it ain't going nowhere.
What a road test. What a road test. Keep your 500 horsepower car. This has been more exciting already. It's like,
are we going to make it home?
Fuel gauge bingo. 1 minute it's on red, next minute it reckons we've got a quarter of time. God, it's warm in here, isn't it? Yeah. Can't wipe window down actually because window regulator's broke.
Yeah,
so
this one's
if you wipe window down, it doesn't go back up. Sunroof apparently, previous owner told me that it doesn't leak. And if you want to keep it that way, don't open it. So I'm not going to open it. But it has got a sunroof. Woo! What a spec. He's buzzing, look at it. It's like, whoa. What a motor. What a motor. I was born in wrong era. I should have been born in 70 so I could have been driving a car like this when I was 20. Right, looks like I think we're going to make it back to base. At minute, you can't do right-hand turns fast because all fuel slushes to one side and it starts flowing. So right-hand turns are no right-hand turns.
Got out full tank.
What a car. Let everyone, whoa, we ain't got no brakes, you might. We're close. Pull out like that. You know what, we're going to end the video there, but like Connor just said, we're coming over all bumps in our yard, and anyone who's been at yard knows how bumpy it is. This car is 30 years old. It's not got one single knock, not one single bang, rattle, nothing. We have like cars that are a few years old what sound like they fall into pieces going over all bumps. This beast? No, absolutely no. So yeah, are we going to be replacing all bushes? Hopefully not. Hopefully they're all mint. I haven't looked underneath it. Don't know what it sounds like. What it looks like underneath. Might be knackered. Might be a rot box. Just past an MOT though, but that doesn't mean no, as we know.
No.
Right, let's get it in garage now. We're back to base. Let's get it in garage. Let's get up on ramp and see how much of a scrapper it is.
Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own. It don't get better. No, read what I wrote. I'm a bestseller. Yeah.